Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to shape your brow at home using a razor blade. There are two types that I use. You can use this one or you can use the other razor. I'm going to use this one because I'm mostly like good with using this, and this one is not that sharp for me. So yeah, follow me as I go into it and show you how to do it. To start with, I'm going to clean my brow with the micellar cleanser and a cotton. Wipe the brow clean. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of the Vaseline I put into this little tube. I'm going to use it on the brow a little bit. Then I'll dab it into it. And I'm going to brush it through. You see how bushy the brow is? It's very bushy. I did not position my camera properly to capture this brow well, so I'm going to show the other brow from the start how I did it. So after brushing this one, I'm going to go to the next brow where I'm using my blade right now. That's my razor blade to trim from the bottom of my brow. Lightly, slowly and gentle. Don't press the razor on, else you might end up cutting yourself. You have to practice this a few times to be well with the razor before you can use it. Also, I showed you the other razor from the beginning, which is easier to handle. All I'm doing is trimming from the outside inward gently. This razor is very sharp and so must be handled with caution, very carefully. So now brushing through to get rid of all the hairs that is maybe stuck in, and also to straighten it properly. And then I'll go downwards there below the brow and then straighten it down slowly, and as I said, gently, so that you don't cut yourself. After I'm using my mini scissors to cut through the hairs that are standing, you can see some hairs are standing out and some are long outside. I use this to trim it, like cut it short. Next, I'm brushing through again to see if there is any excess hair to be cut off. And then after, I'm going to use my mascara because my brow is not that thick. I'm using my mascara to like darken it a little bit. And then after, I'll wipe it off and see if, you know, as I'm brushing, you can see some of the hairs are standing at some place there. I can be able to cut them off. After wiping, you see the brow look like it has been tinted. It look nicer than before. So yeah, that's how I do my brows, guys. And well, I hope this was helpful to someone, and next time I film, I'll be able to position my camera properly to show it well how I position my blade before I trim it. Don't forget to put your comments down below, any questions on this brow that I just did. This is the final look, guys. What do you think? Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful in any way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video.